Whoa! Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be like super exciting, and as you can see we have like a massive box over here. Thing is, a lot of people love home theater related stuff, right? So this might actually pique your interest. Zebronics has just launched their all new floor standing tower speakers in India that goes by the name Zeb Octave, and these are probably the first Indian brand to actually support Dolby audio. And guys, I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show you in this video. So it's like a premium category signature series product from the brand and offers like audiophile great results. It's got like a three-way system. That means these tower speakers have like tweeter, mid-range speakers, and also like a dedicated subwoofer as well, and can produce around like 340 watts of total output. So this is something like super powerful, guys, and also has like plenty of features which I'll tell you in this video. So let's get started with the unboxing. So our brand new tower speakers from Zebronics came in this sort of packaging, and let me tell you, packaging was like super big, guys, and it was also like very heavy. So there's nothing much written on the box. As you can see, we just have the Zebronics branding and the model mentioned over here, which is Zeb Octave tower speakers. And without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me show you what's inside this package. So grabbing my knife and tearing the seal at the top reveals two more boxes on the inside. As I've told you, these are like a pair of tower speakers, right? So you get both the left and right channel tower speakers packed separately, and it also mentions which one is left and right on the package. And over here there's a note that says not to be sold separately, so you'll get like a pair only, guys, keep that in mind. And now this is the actual packaging of the speaker. Let me just give you a closer look and show you what's written on the package. You've got the Zebronics logo, and as I've told you, this is from their signature series, guys. Model is Zeb Octave, that too Dolby powered tower speakers. So one of the first Indian brand tower speakers to actually do that. And look at this. Are these mics? Looks like we also get like dual microphones in the package for karaoke and all that stuff. Yep, and also has some of its features mentioned over here. Basically, these tower speakers have like multiple connectivity options available: Bluetooth, HDMI, ARC, optical, and a lot of other features. I'll tell you all of those in this video. And the total RMS power mentioned on the package is 340 watts, guys. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show you how these speakers sound like. So the outer cover slides out from the top, and there you go, we've got our brand new tower speakers from Zebronics over here. Very nicely packed, guys, in thermocol packaging, and looks like they're available only in like one color for now, which is like black and gold color combination. Now, as I've told you, this is like a premium series speakers from Zebronics, hence the name signature series collection. And you've got this beautiful sort of design over here, guys. Look at this, complete black with gold accents on the drivers, and looks quite beautiful from my initial impressions. Let me just peel off the sticker as well. And there you go, here's our first look at Zebronics Zeb Octave tower speakers powered by Dolby Audio. So we'll just keep it aside for now and check out the other box as well. So you get like an identical pair, guys, same speakers, just left and right channel. And look at this, over here you also have like a packet of accessories, which includes two sets of AA batteries, must be for the microphone, I believe. You also get a remote control for the tower speakers and some cables and stuff. And this one is a free HDMI cable included in the package. And lastly, a mains cord for the tower speakers. That's it, these were all the accessories we got in the package. And not to miss out, these are your free dual microphones that I was talking about. Look at this. Now that is pretty cool, right? You get dual microphones. You can go on like a full concert mode, guys, full on entertainment at your home. And that is pretty much it. We are done with the unboxing part, and here you go, our first look at both the tower speakers from Zebronics Zeb Octave in action. And look at that. So these tower speakers have a three-way design. That means you've got like a tweeter, mid-range, and also a dedicated subwoofer as well on both the units. And on the right speaker, looks like on the front you've got some touch controls and stuff, and also a tiny LED display at the center. The top one is your tweeter, guys, comes in this beautiful black glossy finish, while the rest of the body looks like has a matte black sort of finish. Those two fronted drivers are your mid-range, and to the side you've got like a large subwoofer driver as well. And at the back you've got some connectivity ports and stuff. Let me just give you a closer look. Plenty of connectivity options available. There's a USB port to connect pen drives, optical is there, HDMI ERC port is also available, and that is pretty much it. These are all the available ports, and this looks like a mini fan to keep the amplifier built in running cool. This is like an active tower speaker guys, not passive. And on the bottom you got a port to connect the mains cord and the right channel output. Basically you'll have to connect the other speaker using the provided cable to this unit. And that's it, our complete overview on these tower speakers from Zebronics. So what I'll do is I'll set them up, use them for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using these Zeb Octave floor standing tower speakers for quite some time, almost like 6 to 7 days, and now I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback with them. Now there is so much I have to talk about guys, so make sure to watch this video till the end in case if you're planning to buy this. So first of all, now let's talk about the design and the build quality part. So there you go, this is how Zebronics all new Zeb Octave tower speakers look like, and as I've told you, these are the first Indian brand tower speakers to actually support Dolby audio out of the box, and I'm like pretty excited to talk about the audio quality part, so stay tuned for that. Keeping that aside, let's talk about the design. Zeb Octave have like a premium looking design guys, definitely made for like home purpose and give you that rich sort of feel. It's got like a black and gold color combination. Love these gold accents on the drivers on the front body, and if you look at the color scheme as well, now it's got like a dual tone color scheme guys. The upper half near the tweeter area has like a glossy black finish, while the rest of the body has like a matte black finish. And talking about the build quality of the speakers is also like top notch guys, and looks like the entire enclosure, the whole body is made of like wood. I believe it's MDF material, and you know, very well response to acoustics and good build quality is what I can say. They're also like very heavy guys. Each of them weigh around like 12 to 14 kgs, somewhere around that. So let me just give you a closer look at these tower speakers and show you what's around it. And let me tell you, by the way, only one of these speakers has like all the connectivity ports present at the back side, and also touch controls are available only on one speaker. So starting off from the front, as you can see, it's got like a beautiful three-way design. So you've got a tweeter at the top side, two mid-range drivers are there at the center. On the bottom you got like a bass reflex port available, and to the sides you've got the subwoofers. And let me tell you, there are dual subwoofers guys, one on each of these tower speakers. And if you talk about the driver sizes, so it's got like a 1-inch tweeter and 5.23-inch dual mid-range drivers, and the subwoofer is like pretty large guys, 8 inches subwoofers, and each of these can produce around like 170 watts of total RMS output. So totally combining both of these, you can expect around like 340 watts of RMS output guys. That is like pretty insane. Powerful audio system is what I can say. So before we actually talk about the sound quality, what I've done is, as you can see, I've connected this Zeb Octave tower speakers to my TV over here via HDMI ARC, and now I'll just play some videos on YouTube, Netflix, and then I'll show you how the sound quality on this performs. And apart from that, it also has like Bluetooth support, right? So you can even connect your smartphone to it easily and play music like on the go guys. Multi connectivity features are available over here. Just check out this demo. Probably the most awaited video in the recent times, 2022 edition of 50k PC build. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I have a very good news to share with you all. So finally, after waiting for this long period, the prices of GPUs are coming down steadily and are actually reaching like very close to MSRP, and in a couple of weeks now GPUs will be like available in abundant stock guys. So Okay, you guys heard the sound quality, right? Now let me share you my experience and feedback. As I've told you, I've been using these tower speakers for the last 1 week, guys, and was actually like quite impressed with the results over here. First of all, as you can see, it's got like a three-way design. This one, tweeter, dual mid-range is available, and also dedicated subwoofer on each of these towers, and they were producing like super good results at this price point. Mids felt crisp and clear. You could easily understand all sorts of dialogues as you've seen in the video, right? And apart from that, vocal clarity was also good. The vocals actually had this nice warm and mellow feel to them. And talking about the treble quality was also nice, but initially I felt treble was slightly on the higher side, guys. But nothing to worry, you can even custom tune the EQ on it using the remote control. You can completely customize and custom tweak it as per your requirement. So that is one good thing. Now coming to the bass on these things was also like top notch, guys. It's got like dedicated subwoofers on both of these tower speakers and was producing like solid punchy bass, guys. You'll be like super happy with the results, especially if you're watching any sort of movie with like bomb blastings or gun firings now. You will be like quite impressed with the setup over here. And if you talk about the sound output, as I've told you, it's got like 340 watts of total RMS output and was producing like pretty crazy loud sound. Now to be honest, now I've been using these speakers at a max of around like 50 or 60% output only, because it might disturb the neighbors, that is why. But at this output also I was like quite happy. I didn't need to go up to like 80% also. And distortion was also like very minimum, guys. There was like very minimum distortion, even up to like 90% volume level. On the overall, you'll be like super happy and content with the sound quality on this system. Now you might get a question like, Vimal bhai, should I go for this sort of floor standing tower speakers or sound bars are better? See, I've tested and reviewed lots of sound bars in the past, right? Even up to like 15-20,000 rupees. Now in my experience, I felt these sort of floor standing tower speakers were performing better than those sound bars. One reason I can actually say is, see, sound bars only have like a mono sort of result. They are placed at the center, right? But coming over here, these are like two individual stereo separate units. So because of that, you get like a wider sound stage. And one more thing is, you get like a better stereo experience, guys. So definitely I feel these sort of floor standing tower speakers were offering better performance and audio quality compared to soundbars. Again, though, this was like my experience. And not to forget, these speakers also come with like dual microphones in the package, right? And you can go full karaoke mode using that. So people generally love to have parties at their home, right? And you can use these sort of microphones and have like must enjoyment at your place, guys. You can use them for singing purpose or maybe like competition, full on entertainment, I can say. Very simple to use. These microphones, you just need to install like two AA batteries. That also you get in the package only. After inserting the batteries, just power it on, and that is it, guys. These microphones are like good to go out of the box. Let me just give you a small demo. Hello, check. As you can see right now, the microphone is turned on and this is how they sound like. Now that is pretty cool, right? So you can even adjust the microphone volume level as well using the remote control. And not only that, you can even add effects like echo, reverb. These sorts of sound effects are also available. Let me give you like a small demo. I'll just increase the echo and I'll show you. Hello, check. Hello. Can you see that effect? Hello. I feel like I'm on a stage and giving some sort of speech. And not only echo, you also have like reverb effect. And this is how reverb sounds like. Though I do have to mention, guys, microphone quality was like mediocre. I felt not up to my expectations. I felt it had a bit of distortion and was getting a bit of disturbance in the sound. Though you can reduce that a little bit by reducing the microphone volume. But again, this is what it sounds like. So that's it, our video on Zebronics all new tower speakers Zeb Octave. Excellent quality tower speakers at this price point. Premium look and feel. Love the sound quality and audio performance, guys. Powered by Dolby audio, right? And especially that bass. I don't know what you people heard in the video, but this is something you'll have to listen to in person. It's like pretty damn good at this price point. Only thing I felt is, maybe Zebronics could have added like a passive mode switch on these speakers. Thing is, they're active tower speakers and it's well and good actually. You don't need like an external AV receiver to power them on. But thing is, a lot of people actually have like dedicated 5.1 home theater systems at home, right? With AV receivers and all that. There, people might be interested in using these tower speakers as left and right channels. So if Zebronics could have added like maybe, active passive switch mode available on it, that would have been like pretty useful, guys. Maybe, we'll see what happens in future models. Let's see if Zebronics take this feedback. And lastly, talking about the price, so the brand is actually having like a special introductory price offer on the launch day, and they're selling it for around 24,999 rupees. Later the price will be around 25,999 rupees. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.